Learning Spark Lightning Fast Data Analytics 2nd Edition is a comprehensive guide for data engineers and data scientists looking to leverage Apache Spark for processing large-scale data analytics and machine learning tasks. Updated to cover Spark 3.0, the book emphasizes the importance of structure and unification in Spark and provides practical insights into performing various data analytics and employing machine learning algorithms. Key topics covered include learning Python, SQL, Scala, or Java high-level structured APIs, understanding Spark operations and the SQL Engine, inspecting, tuning, and debugging Spark operations using Spark configurations and Spark UI, connecting to various data sources such as JSON, Parquet, CSV, Avro, Orc, Hive, S3, or Kafka, performing analytics on both batch and streaming data using structured streaming, building reliable data pipelines using open-source Delta Lake and Spark, and developing machine learning pipelines with MLlib and deploying models using MLflow. Through step-by-step walkthroughs, code snippets, and notebooks, readers will gain practical knowledge and skills to efficiently process diverse workloads with Spark for analytics and machine learning purposes. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.